This is just a quick tutorial to show you how to annotate with a Google add-on, Chrome add-on called Cami. So here I am on my iPad, and I've actually opened up my drive in Safari. The Cami add-on will not work in the Drive app, so you actually need to go through the browser of Safari and open up your Google Drive that way. So then I'm just going to find any, let's just find a PDF that I could open to show you how this works. So opening up the PDF here, and what I'm going to do is open with Cami. It says annotate with Cami on the top there. And I get this new window opening up here, and my toolbar is on the left, right? So this is the highlighting toolbar where I can go in and highlight different things for students. For example, if you wanted to make things stand out to them. And then I have my drawing toolbar down here where I can actually go in and make notes of things or highlight things or make changes to things that I would want them to see. And that is pretty much it and how to use Cami. There's some other tools over here. You can add a text box in. If you wanted to actually add a text box, you can those are the paid for features if you wanted to add a voice comment in. But I think it's pretty useful. And you can select things up here. And then this just allows you to move the document around. So it's a nice little tool, and you can also use it on the desktop as well. So once I'm done making all of my edits using all these different tools, over here on the side, I can go up here to the save icon, and you just want to click save and then save it to my drive, which it'll probably ask you the first time you use it to allow you to access your drive. So then if I go back to the document and reopen it, it should revert to having, there it goes, to having my edits in there. And then if you wanted to share that document back with students, you can do that right there through the share button. Hope that helps.